In this video I tell you about the first meeting of the Swiss DS Club after the Corona lockdown. August 29 and 30 the Swiss DS Club held its summer weekend. We combined it with the General Assembly of this year, originally scheduled for March. When I started in Zurich there was heavy rain, but as I approached the place of the meeting near Solothurn the rain stopped and the whole Saturday remained dry. The main attraction was a guided tour to the Gorge of the Holy Verena. Apparently she was venerated mainly in the northwestern part of Switzerland, in the cantons of Argovia and Solothurn. They say she came with the legendary Theban legion to this region in the 3rd century. Here she led a holy life as a hermit. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you don't want to miss anything and stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and goodbye.